Do you hear that sound? It sounds really familiar. Do you know what that might be? If you said the northern cardinal, you're correct. The northern cardinal became West Virginia's state bird in 1949. If you're ever on the lookout for a northern cardinal, West Virginia is a great place to look because they're here year-round. You can always tell if it's a male based on its bright red feathers, also called plumage, or its thick orange beak. They use that beak to crack into their primary food source, which is seeds. They'll also eat berries and some insects. You may have also seen northern cardinals fighting their reflection in shiny surfaces like mirrors or windows. That is because male cardinals are very territorial. So if you're ever out in West Virginia and you hear this sound, you can tell everyone you know that's a northern cardinal.